Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your QuickBooks Online customer data, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your QuickBooks Online customer data, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Reports section from the left-hand menu. In the Reports section, search for the Customer Balance Detail report. Select the report to generate customer balance information. Adjust the date range to capture the desired data, ensuring all relevant transactions are included. Once the report is generated, click on the export icon usually found in the top right corner. Choose the option to export to Excel or CSV format. Open the downloaded file to review your customer data and ensure it meets your needs. To create a backup of your complete customer list, return to the Reports section. Search for the Customer Contact List report and open it. Again, adjust the date range to ensure all relevant customers are included. Click the export icon to download the customer contact list in your preferred format. For an additional layer of data protection, consider using a third-party backup service that integrates with QuickBooks Online. Follow the instructions provided by the chosen service to connect it to your QuickBooks account. Schedule regular backups to ensure your customer data remains up to date. After completing these steps, store your backup files securely in a location you can easily access later. Regularly review and manage your backup process to maintain accurate and up-to-date customer information. By following these steps, you'll effectively safeguard your QuickBooks Online customer data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.